Ever stared at a mountain of bills and wondered, is there a bank out there that can actually handle this? Maybe you're saving for a house, a dream vacation, or finally getting that electric car you've been eyeing. Whatever your financial goals, having a strong, reliable bank by your side is key. So, if you're considering Commonwealth Bank, a name you might have seen around, the question naturally arises, is Commonwealth Bank a big bank? The answer, like most things in life, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Let's unpack what big means in the world of banking and see if Commonwealth Bank fits the bill. First things first, size can be measured in a few different ways. There's total assets, which is basically the bank's net worth, everything they own minus everything they owe. Another metric is market capitalization, which is the total value of all the bank's outstanding shares. Then there's customer base, the sheer number of people who trust the bank with their hard-earned cash. Looking at assets, Commonwealth Bank definitely holds its own. They consistently rank among the top 50 banks in the world by this measure. That means they have the financial muscle to handle even the biggest transactions and weather any economic storms that might come along. Market capitalization paints a similar picture. While not the biggest player globally, Commonwealth Bank sits comfortably within the top 100 banks by this measure within the Asia-Pacific region. That translates to a strong financial standing and the ability to invest in innovative services and technologies. But what about you, the individual? Are you just a number at a giant bank? Here's where Commonwealth Bank's reach gets interesting. While they might not have the most branches globally, they boast a massive presence within Australia. Chances are, if you live down under, there's a Commonwealth Bank branch conveniently located near you. On top of that, Commonwealth Bank has heavily invested in online and mobile banking. Their CommBank app is consistently rated as one of the best in the country, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. So, is Commonwealth Bank a big bank? By global asset and market cap standards, they are a significant player. Within Australia, they are a dominant force, offering a vast network of branches and a best-in-class digital experience. But remember, big isn't everything. The best bank for you depends on your specific needs. Do you prioritize a personal touch and a local branch, or are you all about the convenience of mobile banking? Do you need a bank with a global reach for international transactions, or are you primarily focused on managing your finances within Australia? Commonwealth Bank offers a compelling combination of size, security, and innovative technology. Whether they're the perfect fit for you depends on your unique financial journey. Take some time to research their offerings, compare them with other banks, and ultimately choose the one that empowers you to achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.